Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a machine that's as rare as it is ravishing, the 2026 Ferrari LaFerrari. Yes, Ferrari has brought back the iconic nameplate, and this time, it's more refined, more powerful, and more exclusive than ever. And what makes this review even more special, the model we're looking at comes dressed in a rich, deep brown finish that sets it apart from the usual reds and yellows you see in the wild. This isn't just another hypercar, it's a statement of design, performance, and legacy. So buckle up, because we're going deep into the soul of Ferrari's latest masterpiece. Let's talk about that exterior. The 2026 LaFerrari doesn't just evolve, it transforms. At first glance, the sculpted lines are unmistakably Ferrari, but this new iteration adds sharper aerodynamics, active flaps, and an even more aggressive stance. In brown, this car takes on a whole new personality. It's elegant, almost understated. Until the light hits it. Then you see the metallic flakes in the paint shimmer like liquid bronze. The front fascia has been redesigned with slimmer LED headlights and a more sculpted hood. The signature Ferrari nose dips lower, channeling airflow more efficiently than ever. Around the sides, those deep air intakes hint at the beast beneath, while carbon fiber details subtly remind you this isn't just a beauty, it's a beast in disguise. And at the rear, the quad exhausts, full-width light bar, and aggressive diffuser give it that perfect mix of sophistication and savagery. Step inside and it's a cockpit designed with intent. Ferrari continues to strip away distractions. Everything is driver-focused. Brown leather with Alcantara insert stretches across the seats and dashboard, accented by carbon fiber trims and brushed aluminum touches. The steering wheel feels more like a Formula One command center, complete with an updated Manettino dial, LED shift lights, and haptic controls. There's a new digital instrument cluster that can be fully customized, showing telemetry, navigation, or performance stats in real time. The seating position is snug, racing-inspired, and the seats themselves, while minimalist, are surprisingly comfortable for something this performance-focused. There's even some new tech here, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, and upgraded sound insulation. But make no mistake, this car is not about comfort. It's about connecting you to the road, to the machine, and to the experience. Now let's get into what really matters, performance. The 2026 LaFerrari is powered by a revised V12 hybrid powertrain, now pushing over 1,100 horsepower. That's right, Ferrari took what was already a legend and made it even more monstrous. The engine revs past 10,000 RPM, and the electric assist kicks in instantly, giving it a level of responsiveness that's almost unreal. 0 to 60. 2.3 seconds. Top speed. North of 230 miles per hour. But numbers only tell part of the story. What Ferrari's done here is refine the driving dynamics to the edge of perfection. The hybrid system isn't just about speed, it's about torque vectoring, energy recovery, and giving you explosive performance out of every corner. The chassis is lighter, the suspension more adaptive, and the software more intelligent. Whether you're carving up a mountain road or flying down a straight, this car reads the road and adjusts in real time. The sound? A spine-tingling scream from the V12 paired with the eerie silence of electric acceleration. It's the future and the past, merging into one hell of a ride. Now, let's talk money. The 2026 LaFerrari is not a car, it's an investment. With only a few hundred units planned worldwide, starting prices begin at around $3.5 million, and that's before options. Want custom paint like this brown finish? That's an easy six-figure addition. Interior personalization. Carbon upgrades. Track telemetry package. You could be looking at a final sticker north of $4 million. But for collectors and elite buyers, this isn't just about the price, it's about exclusivity. And let's not forget, the original LaFerrari has appreciated massively over the years. This one? It's poised to follow the same path, maybe even faster. So there it is, the 2026 Ferrari LaFerrari. In brown, it's bold, unique, and absolutely stunning. It redefines what a hypercar can be, blending bleeding-edge tech with old-school Ferrari passion. Whether you're a collector, a driver, or just a dreamer, this car demands your attention. If you enjoyed the deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you go for this brown spec or stick with classic Ferrari red? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe, drive smart, and dream big.